To watch all our videos, click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click all. Now navigate to the settings of your mobile phone. Go to apps and notifications. Notifications. YouTube, and make sure all the options on the right are turned on. Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will learn about genders in Kannada language. Gender is called as linga in Kannada. Masculine gender is pullinga. Feminine gender is strilinga. Neuter gender is napumsakalinga. Okay. Masculine gender pullinga. Okay. Some of the examples are these: boy, huduga, Ravi, name of a boy, Ravi. Husband, pati or ganda. Okay. Leader, nayaka. So all these fall under the category of masculine gender. Feminine gender is strilinga, and these are the examples: girl, hudugi, Radhika is the name of a girl. Grandmother, Ajji. Daughter is Magalu. Now, everything other than masculine and feminine gender is neuter gender in Kannada. Okay, we do not have a gender for things in Kannada. Okay, if you consider Hindi, even the things have gender. Okay, but we do not have it here. All the things and the animals are classified under neuter gender. Napumsak linga. Dog, nai. Table, meju. Hen, koli. Aeroplane, vimana. So all these fall under the category of neuter gender. Now, changing the masculine to feminine. Okay, to change a masculine gender to a feminine gender, you need to add different suffixes. Okay, you need to add something extra. Okay, and there are many different suffixes. We will see one by one. By adding e to masculine gender. Okay, by adding e to masculine gender, you can convert it into feminine gender. So let us see the example. Okay, on the left side are the masculine genders, on the right side are the feminine genders. First is a boy, which is huduga in Kannada. Girl, which is hudugi in Kannada. If you see the last letter, A is replaced by I, or if it is in Kannada, a is replaced by e. Okay, e, by adding e to the masculine. Huduga. Okay, huduga. We add e to huduga to make it hudugi. Okay, hudugi. King is arasa. Arasa. Queen is arasi. Arasi. If you see here, arasa is masculine and we convert it to feminine, arasi. Arasi, by adding e to the masculine. Okay. Old man. Old man is muduka. Muduka. Old woman is muduki. Muduki. Muduka is converted to muduki by adding e to the masculine. God. Deva. Deva. Goddess. Devi. Devi. Deva to Devi by adding e. Deaf man. Okay, a man who is deaf. Kivuda. Kivuda. Deaf woman or a deaf lady. Kivudi. Kivudi. Okay, Kivuda is converted to Kivudi by adding e at the end. By adding a to the masculine. Okay, by adding a to the masculine. Minister. Sachiva. Sachiva. Minister. Okay, in this case, who is a lady. Sachive. Sachive. Okay, now if you see, a is replaced by e, or in Kannada, va is replaced by ve, or in other words, we add a to the masculine. Sachiva to sachive. Okay. Clever. Clever. In this case, clever man. Jana. Jana. Clever. In this case, a lady. Clever. Jane. Jane. So, a is replaced by e, or na is replaced by ne. Okay, ne. We add a to the masculine. Handsome. Handsome man. Cheluva. Cheluva. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful lady. Cheluve. Cheluve. Va is converted to ve. Okay. Va is converted to ve. President. In this case, a man. Adhyaksha. Adhyaksha. President. In this case, a lady. Adhyakshe. Adhyakshe. Okay. Adhyaksha. Add a. Adhyakshe. Masculine to feminine. By adding iti to masculine. Iti. Okay. Iti to masculine. For example, Brahmin is Brahmana. Brahmana. Masculine. Okay. Brahmin. Okay. Brahmin lady. Brahmanati. Brahmanati. So we add thi. Okay. Iti to masculine to make it feminine. Gauda. Gauda, which is head. Okay. Head. Maybe head of a village or a group. Head. Man. Gauda. Head. Gaudati. Gaudati. We add iti to masculine. Okay. The usage of iti to convert masculine to feminine is very limited. okay, is very limited. By adding itti to masculine, itti. Now, once again, the usage is very limited, okay, very limited. Agasa, agasa is a person who washes clothes. Agasa, agasa gitti, okay, agasa gitti is a person who is feminine. Okay, you add gitti or itti to masculine. Havadiga, havadiga is a snake charmer. Okay, a male in this case. Havadiga. Havadagitti is a snake charmer who is a female in this case. Okay, and we get Havadagitti from Havadiga by adding itti to masculine. Okay, and as I said, once again, the usage is very limited. By adding gati or garti to masculine. Okay, for example, musician, Sangeetagara, musician, Sangeetagarti. This is masculine, this is feminine. Okay, you add garti to Sangeeta. Okay, Sangeeta. You replace gara and you add garti. Okay, garti. Sangeetagarti. Killer, in this case masculine, kolegara, kolegara. Killer, in this case kolegarti, garti. You replace gara by garti. Okay, garti. Wizard, wizard is matagara. Wizard or witch in this case is matagati. Replace r, r by ti. Gati. Gara by gati. Gati. Okay, and once again the usage is very limited of this. By adding ini to the masculine, ini to the masculine, the usage here is also limited. Teacher, teacher, upadhyaya, upadhyaya. Teacher, upadhyayini, upadhyayini. You add ini to masculine. Upadhyaya, upadhyayini. Okay. Student, vidyarthi, vidyarthi. Student, vidyarthini, vidyarthini. Vidyarthi, add ini, vidyarthini. Okay. By adding the lu to the masculine. Okay. Elder, doddavanu, doddavanu. Elder, doddavalu, doddavalu. You replace nu by lu. Okay. You replace nu by lu. Good man, Valleyavanu. Good man is Valleyavanu. Good woman is Valleyavalu. Valleyavalu. He is Avanu. Avanu. She is Avalu. Avalu. This man is Ivanu. Ivanu. This woman is Ivalu. Ivalu. In all these cases, you replace nu by lu. Okay. Now, some feminine words are completely different. Okay, they cannot be converted from masculine to feminine by adding something. For example, father is tande. Father is tande. Mother is tai. Okay, tai. So tande and tai are different words. Okay, you cannot add something and make it tai. Husband is ganda. Wife is hendati. Hendati. King is raja. Raja. Queen is Rani, Rani. Bridegroom is Vara. Bride is Vadhu, Vadhu. Younger brother is Tamma. Younger sister is Tangi. So all these are different. Okay, different. So you cannot convert masculine to feminine in this case by adding something. Okay. Now neuter gender is Napunsakalinga, Napunsakalinga. But then you can convert Napunsakalinga, a neuter gender, into either masculine or feminine by adding whether it is a male or a female. Okay, let us see an example. Nai is dog. Okay, Nai is a dog. Dog is a neuter gender. Dog comes under the classification of neuter gender. But if you want to say that a particular dog is male dog, okay, male dog, then you need to add gandu, okay, gandu before nai, okay, before nai. So first comes the word gandu and then comes the word nai. Gandu means male, okay, gandu means male. So male dog, which makes neuter gender into a masculine gender. If it is female dog, then hennu nai. Hennu means girl or female. Okay, hennu means female. So female dog or a bitch. Okay. Next example, huli. Huli is tiger. Okay, huli is tiger, which comes under the classification of neuter gender. But if you want to say it is a tigress or a female tiger, then you can add hennu before huli. Hennu before huli. So hennu huli makes it female tiger or tigress. Okay, and so on. There are examples which continues like this. If you want to say that particular thing is male, you add gandu. If a particular thing is female, you add hennu before it. Okay. Now, some words are always used in neuter gender, even though they can be classified under masculine or feminine. Okay. For example, magu. Magu is a small child. Okay, magu is a small child. Magu comes under the classification of neuter gender. Okay, neuter gender. Jana is people. Jana is people. Once again, can be masculine or feminine or a mix of both. But then it is classified under neuter gender. Okay. Some nouns can be used in masculine as well as in neuter gender. Okay. For example, Chandra, which is moon. Okay, moon. Now moon has risen, which can be Chandra huttitu, or Chandra huttidanu. If you use huttitu, it is neuter gender. If it is huttidanu, if you use huttidanu, you are saying that Chandra is masculine. Huttitu means risen, has risen. Huttidanu means has risen. Okay, has risen. But then if you use huttitu, then you are saying that the Chandra or the moon is neuter. But if you use Chandra huttidanu, then you are saying that Chandra is a masculine gender. Okay, you can use both and both of them are right. You cannot use this under feminine. Okay, Chandra huttidalu, you cannot say it because generally we do not use moon under feminine. Okay. Some nouns can be used in feminine as well as in neuter gender. Okay. Devate means goddess. Devate means goddess. Devate daye torisidalu. Okay, Devate daye torisidalu. Goddess has shown mercy. Goddess has shown mercy. Devate daye torisidalu. In this case, you are saying that goddess is female or feminine. Okay. Torisidalu. This is what makes it feminine. Torisidalu. Okay. Next. Idu krura devate. Idu krura devate. This is a cruel goddess. This is a cruel goddess. Now you are saying that goddess is a neuter gender and idu is what makes it neuter. Okay, idu is generally used on neuter gender. So when you use idu, it makes it neuter gender. Okay, do not worry too much about these rules right now. Okay, but just know that some nouns can be used in feminine as well as in neuter gender. Some nouns can be used in masculine and feminine and neuter, all three. Okay, one example is servant. Servant, which is alu. Okay, alu in Kannada. The servant came. The servant came. You can use alu bandanu, alu bandanu, or alu bandalu, alu bandalu, or alu banditu, alu banditu. If you use alu bandanu, then it is male. If it is alu bandalu, it is female or feminine. If you use alu banditu, then it is neuter gender. Okay. The only thing that differentiates between male and female is the last letter. Nu, masculine, lu, feminine, tu, neuter. Okay. The rules mentioned in all the previous slides works 90% of the time. Okay. The rules mentioned previously cannot be used to convert words from masculine to feminine all the 100% of the time. Okay. So converting from masculine to feminine comes with practice, and if you are in doubt, it is better to ask and get it clarified with someone who speaks Kannada properly. Okay. So if you are stuck or if you are confused while converting from masculine to feminine, do not worry about it. Okay, do not worry. So the mentioned rules works 90% of the time or on 90% of the words. Click subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified when we post a video. If you would like to see more videos from our channel, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.